Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you how you can make changes to the root file system of FEX-Emu. So here you can see I'm running Armbian 25.2.4 on a Raspberry Pi 5. So you might wonder why I'm running Armbian, because usually I'm running Ubuntu. Well, I tried to install Steam, but with Ubuntu 24.04, I got an error message about user namespaces, and that's usually an error message that you get when there's something missing in the kernel or something like that. So I switched to Armbian, and at least I was able to get past the error message about user namespaces, but I still wasn't able to get Steam installed, unfortunately. So to see if everything was working correctly, I tried to test Stunt Car Remake, and you can see that you can download an x86 64-bit app image for that. And let's just say when you want to run it with FEX, then you get an error message about libfuse2 missing. And well, you can extract it by using that option behind it. And as you can see, I already did that. But of course, it would be nicer if you would be able to start an app image as is. Now, I still wasn't able to do that, but I can show you that we can get past this error message, and that will also prove that we can make changes to the root file system. So the root file system is available in your home directory, but you have to be able to see hidden files, and then the directory .fex-emu, and the dot indicates that it is a hidden file, or in this case directory, so everything that starts with a dot is hidden. So here we have the root file system. So this is the original one, this is the extracted one, and yeah, I made the choice to have it extracted. So I don't know if that's the reason why I don't see these two scripts. Perhaps the wiki is out of date, that is also possible. So yeah, if we go into the root file system, you can see that there is a Python script. And when we look at the Python script, then they explain how you can use it. Okay, so yeah, the first time that you're using or that you're inside the root file system, then it might be a good idea to do an apt update. So I already did that, so I'm going to skip that. And we're going to install libfuse2. So now it's installed, so we can exit, and you can see that it will automatically clean up. So if we go back here and then we try that again, then we get past the error about libfuse2, but now you get an error that it can't find this library. So it looks like that at the moment FEX-Emu is not able to work properly with AppImages. Because if we look at the extracted app image, you can see that the library should be there. Now, it is still possible to play it, but you have to extract the app image. So if we do FEX-Bash app run, and here we have Stunt Car Remake for x86 64-bit. Well, I guess you get the idea of the game, and people that have seen one of my earlier videos, perhaps they will recognize it. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get Steam working with FEX-Emu on a Raspberry Pi 5. I will do some more investigations to see if I can get that running properly. I was able to get one step further with AppImages, but in the end it still didn't work. But at least I was able to show you how you can make changes to the root file system of FEX-Emu. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.